Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So in this video I'd like to show you two different ways of blocking the number. Let's start with your contact list. Let's open it. So basically in this way you can block the number which you've got currently saved. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then choose the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers and tap on block to confirm. As you can see here, we've got this characteristic icon, which simply means that from now on you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Of course you can unblock it the same way, three dots icon and unblock numbers, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So the second way of blocking the number is more manual. We have to enter the settings, so it does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here, let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contact, so the previous option also works. We can tap on add a number, and as you can see right now we can enter it freely. Let's tap on block, or you can paste it if you've got it copied, and as you can see, this number will immediately appear on the blacklist, which again means that you will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Which is more at the top, you've got this option unknown. You can turn it on and off just by tapping on the switcher, and you can basically block all calls from all unidentified callers. If you want, you can also unblock the number. Just tap on this X button and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.